The story behind Britannia's Prashant campaign is a masterclass in agile marketing. It all began when content creator Ayush Chopra humorously mispronounced croissant as Prashant in a viral video, capturing the attention of millions. With over 16 million views, this playful blunder was too golden an opportunity for Britannia to ignore. Instead of letting the moment slip away, Britannia jumped in with both feet. They launched special edition Prashant packaging for their croissants, turning a simple pastry into a cultural phenomenon. This clever move not only showcased their adaptability but also highlighted their understanding of the digital landscape. Britannia went further by crafting witty, relatable content that resonated with a younger audience. Their social media channels buzzed with playful posts that embraced the humor of the situation, creating a sense of community among fans. By leaning into internet culture and responding at lightning speed, Britannia transformed a viral moment into a marketing triumph. The Prashant campaign exemplifies how brands can connect with consumers in a meaningful way. It's not just about selling a product, it's about being part of the conversation. Britannia's swift response and cultural awareness deepened their bond with a digital-savvy audience, proving that sometimes, the best marketing strategies come from simply having fun and engaging with the community. In a world where trends come and go, Britannia's Prashant campaign stands as a reminder of the power of creativity and agility in marketing. It shows that when a brand embraces the unexpected, it can turn a simple mispronunciation into a delightful experience for everyone. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into innovative marketing strategies.